A very good morning, children. Today in English, let's learn a new chapter, Happy Deepavali. So before moving on to a chapter, we have some activities. You can open your text, page number 43. Let's do the do and learn activity. Make a collage of different festivals that we celebrate with pictures taken from old newspapers and magazines. So you have to make a collage of different festivals. So there are different festivals. What all festivals you celebrate? You celebrate Onam, Christmas, Eid, Deepavali, Dasara, many festivals. So you can collect the pictures of these festivals from old newspapers and magazines. So you can go through old newspapers and other magazines also and cut and paste it in your notebook. So make a collage of festivals. So here you can see pictures of Holi, Dasra, Deepavali, Christmas, etc. Similarly, you can collect pictures of different festivals from old newspapers and magazines and paste it in your notebook. Now moving on to the next one. Make slips with 20 words written on them. Include the words and but. Use the words on the slips to make sentences. So first you have to write 20 words. You can write any words, but it should be 20 words. So after writing that, you have to join those words using and but. Here, for example, I have written 8 words. So I have written play, cricket, football, pen, pencil, rabbit, jump, hope. So there are 8 words. In this way, you have to write 20 words. Any words you can write, but make sure that you write 20 words. And after that, you have to join these words using and but. So when do we use and? Here you can see that I have written already cricket, football. Now I have joined 2 words, cricket and football. So I have joined cricket and football using the word and. So we can say that and but are joining words. They are used to join 2 words, or also they are used to join 2 sentences. So here cricket and football. The next one, pen and pencil. Before pen was one word and pencil was another word. Now we have joined these 2 words using the word and. So how did we write? Pen and pencil. So you can also make bread and butter. Bread is a word and butter is another word. And how did we join these words? Using the word and. So now we have written bread and butter. So and is used to join words. Here you can see the sentence. So we had already written the word cricket, football in that slip of words. In that 20 words, we have written words. So now let's make the sentence out of it. Here, I play cricket and football. Now that has become a sentence using the word and. I play cricket and football. Next, I have a pen and a pencil. So here we added and by joining pen and pencil. So I have a pen and a pencil. Rabbit can jump and hope. So rabbit can jump and also hope. And we join these words using the word and. So this is how to use the word and. Next we have but. How to use but. Here you can see I have a pencil but I don't have a pen. What does that mean? That I have a pencil but I am not having a pen. So there but is used to indicate that I am not having a pen. So you can read the sentence as I have a pencil but I don't have a pen. The next sentence, this ring is small but expensive. So what does that sentence means? That the ring is small but it is expensive. So to indicate that, we use the term but. That is, this ring is small but it is costly. So this ring is small but expensive. Tina wants to play but it is raining. So how did we join the words? Tina wants to play. It is raining. So Tina wants to play but it is raining. Because it's raining, she is not able to play. So the sentence we wrote as Tina wants to play but it is raining. So this is how to use the words and but. So similarly, you can write 20 words and then join them using and but. The next we have a word web. You can see, make a word web to show that something belongs to someone, like this. So you can see in the textbook a picture, Rohit is written in the center and there are many words, that is a word web. So you can read out Rohit's ruler, Rohit's bag, Rohit's books, Rohit's pencil, Rohit's crayons, Rohit's shoes. So what does this mean? Here, Rohit's belongings are used here. And how is it used? You can see after Rohit, yes is given and an apostrophe is given. That punctuation mark is called an apostrophe. So apostrophe is used to indicate someone's belongings. So here it's written Rohit's ruler. That means it belongs to Rohit. That ruler belongs to Rohit. So Rohit's ruler. Only then we use the apostrophe and we have to add yes to it. So it's read as Rohit's ruler, Rohit's bag. That means it is Rohit's bag. Rohit's books. That books belongs to Rohit. So how can we write that? Rohit's books. Rohit's pencil. That pencil belongs to Rohit. Rohit's crayons and Rohit's shoes. So here is about Rohit, the belongings of Rohit. And so when we write someone's belongings, we have to use apostrophe yes. Now let's move on to the next one, acrostic poem. Write an acrostic poem with your name. Here are the rules to be followed. So acrostic poem is a poem of a word that describes a particular topic. For writing an acrostic poem, you have to write the first letters vertically, that is downwards, and from each letter you have to write words. For example, here you can see the word school has been written vertically. See, S-C-H-O-O-L. The word school has been written vertically, that is downwards, and from each letter we have to form words. This is an acrostic poem. So with yes, it's formed super teachers, C, caring, H, homework, O, oral language, O, on task all the time, L, lots of fun. So with the term school, when it's written vertically, a poem has been written. So how can we read this poem now? Super teachers, caring, homework, oral language, on task all the time, lots of fun. So this is an example of acrostic poem. Now you have an activity to do. Here in the text also an acrostic poem is given. The word school is used and here some other words are used to describe the word school. So now let's see here. With the letter S, it's written school is fun. C, class and ground. H, homework follows too. O, of course we learn. O, of all the things we do. L, language and maths too. So how can we read this poem now? School is fun, class and ground, homework follows too. Of course we learn, of all the things we do, language and maths too. So here you can also write an acrostic poem. You can write your name vertically and form words with it and write a poem. So this is all about acrostic poem. Now let's move on to our next page, page number 44. We celebrate many festivals in our country. Which is your favorite festival? Why do you like it? So we celebrate many festivals. So write down which is your favorite festival and why do you like it. You can write it in your text itself. The next one we have guess the festival. The first one, we play with colors on this day. So that festival you have to guess and write the name of the festival over there. The second one, we keep gifts under a decorated tree. The third one, we decorate our houses with lamps and lights. Fourth one, we make a sweet called Savior, wear new clothes and pray at the mosque. So identify which festival it is. So the first festival, we play with colors on this day. So which is that festival? Holi. On Holi, we use colors and play with colors. So you can write down Holi there. The next one, we keep gifts under a decorated tree. So on Christmas, you keep gifts under a decorated tree. And near to the second question, you can write down the term Christmas. The third question, we decorate our houses with lamps and lights. So which festival it is? It is Deepavali. Deepavali is the festival of lights. So write down Deepavali there. And the last question, we make a sweet called Savior, wear new clothes and pray at the mosque. So that festival is Eid. So on Eid, you pray and go to mosques. So these are the festivals.